Welcome to MLD Industries, manufacturer and supplier of road construction equipment. The company was established in 1998 at Ahmedabad. Ethical business practices and wide distribution network helps us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. Client-centric approach, flexible payment modes, and industry-leading prices make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a diverse range of hot, drum mix plants, paver sensor, and finishers. Industrial feeders and asphalt plants offered by us are best in the industry amongst others. Industrial sprayers, wet mix plant and pavers are acknowledged for their functionality. We are offering a top-notch quality range of industrial boilers, road cleaning machine and parts that are extremely reliable. Our iron Jalis and slip-form curb laying machines are a class apart. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of storage tanks and pollution controls. To know more about us, please visit our website www.mldindustries17.com.